Welcome to our journey through Nebraska Nirvana, Plains Pursuits and Pioneer Past. Today, we delve into the heart of the Great Plains, exploring the rich history and natural wonders that define Nebraska. Join us as we uncover the pioneer spirit and diverse attractions that make Nebraska a hidden gem in the Midwest. Segment 1: Omaha Gateway to the West. Introduction to Omaha. Our adventure begins in Omaha, Nebraska's largest city and a vibrant cultural hub. Known for its friendly locals and bustling atmosphere, Omaha offers a blend of urban amenities and historic charm. Old Market District. Explore the historic Old Market District, where brick-paved streets are lined with art galleries, boutiques, and lively restaurants housed in restored warehouses. This neighborhood captures the essence of Omaha's past while offering modern-day entertainment. Henry Doorly Zoo and Aquarium. Visit the renowned Henry Doorly Zoo and Aquarium, consistently ranked among the best zoos in the world. Discover its expansive exhibits, including the Desert Dome, the largest indoor desert in the world, and the Lye Jungle, a lush rainforest habitat. Segment 2: Lincoln Capital City Charms. Introduction to Lincoln. Next, we travel to Lincoln, Nebraska's state capital and home to a rich tapestry of history and culture. Lincoln blends educational institutions with picturesque landscapes, creating a unique and inviting atmosphere. Nebraska State Capitol. Explore the Nebraska State Capitol, a stunning architectural marvel crowned with a 400-foot dome tower. Take a guided tour to admire its interior murals, mosaics, and the observation deck offering panoramic views of the city. Sunken Gardens. Stroll through Lincoln's Sunken Gardens, a botanical paradise featuring meticulously landscaped gardens, water features, and vibrant floral displays. It's a tranquil retreat in the heart of the city. Segment 3: Pioneer Trails and Historic Sites. Chimney Rock National Historic Site. Venture west to Chimney Rock National Historic Site, an iconic landmark along the Oregon Trail. Rising 325 feet above the surrounding prairie, Chimney Rock served as a navigational beacon for pioneers journeying westward. Scotts Bluff National Monument. Discover Scotts Bluff National Monument, another pivotal landmark on the Oregon Trail. Hike the trails to Mitchell Pass for sweeping views of the North Platte River Valley, and explore the exhibits highlighting pioneer history. Segment 4: Natural Wonders and Outdoor Adventures. Sandhills Region. Explore Nebraska's unique Sandhills region, a vast expanse of rolling dunes and grass-covered hills. This ecological treasure supports diverse wildlife and offers opportunities for bird watching, hiking, and photography. Platte River Valley. Experience the annual migration of the sandhill cranes along the Platte River Valley. Witness thousands of cranes as they stop over on their journey north, filling the sky with their distinctive calls and graceful flight. Conclusion. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Nebraska Nirvana, Plains Pursuits and Pioneer Past. Nebraska's blend of pioneer history, natural beauty, and welcoming communities offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.